Number 25. Who can do number 25 for us? It's a simple question. Perimeter of the square below is 1.2 meters. Question. Find the uh, value of each length of the side in centimeters. Did you see the question is specific? Don't just find the length of each side. Find the length of each side in centimeters. Who can remember the formula for perimeter of a square?
Perimeter.
Yes, favor. What is perimeter formula for perimeter of a square? Remember, a square has 4 equal sides. When you add them all up, what does that look like? Come on, let's be fast. Let's be fast. Yes.
2L.
2L or 4L?
I mean 4L.
Uh-huh. If you add L to itself 4 times, is it not the same thing as 4 times L?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's hit the road. So don't just say 4L. Remember, always start with the letter on the left-hand side of the equality sign. So P equals what? 4L.
4L.
Now, we have established the, what do you call it? Formula. So what are we going to put for P? Who can tell me the value we put for P?
The value of 4P is what?
What is the value we will put for P?
1.2 meters.
Thank you, 1.2. So because we're solving it, we'll just put 1.2. So 1.2 equals 4L. So who can tell me what we're going to do next? Yes?
I'm going to 1.2L.
Faith, I hope you're not writing at the same time I'm explaining. I hope that's not what's happening. Because I'm noticing you're looking down at something. I hope that's not what you're doing. Huh?
4L.
Are you writing at the same time that I'm explaining? I'm asking for your ideas. I don't expect you to be writing now. So what should we do next?
We divide both sides by 1.
By what?
1.2.
No.
So,
What are we going to divide both sides by?
by 4.
It's by 4 now. See, Faith, we can't divide both sides by 1.2 because it's not 1.2 that is multiplying L. Remember, you know that question I always ask. When you are looking for a particular variable, you want to find out what is that variable when it's alone. Now, I want you to watch what's going to happen. If I divide both sides by 4, look at what will happen. The 4 will disappear. Can you see what's happening? Can you see what's happening?
Yes.
Can you see that the 4 has disappeared, leaving you only with L?
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason why we usually say divide by the thing that is multiplying what you are looking for. If you divide by 1.2, you will not succeed with this thing. Why? Because there will still be a number multiplying L. Okay, but you don't want that. You want L to be alone. Then on the other side, something can be there. So let's go. So 4 in 1.2 is what?
3.0.
3.0. I'm not sure that's right. Did you mean to say 0.3?
Yes.
So please say the correct thing. It's 0.3, not 3.0, because the 4 in 1 is 0 times, right? Then
Yeah.
when you now put the 2, you know, along with it, it's now 4 in 12, which is 3. So it's 0.3. So what's our answer? What's our final answer? L will be equal to what? Talk to me now.
0 point. They just meet the 2 centimeters.
Yes. So, yes, thank you for reminding us. So it's 0.3 meters. But by the time we convert it to centimeters, what will it become?
30 centimeters.
Wow. Are you sure about that? Favor, are you sure about that?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Was it Favor that answered now, Faith? They are not talking again because they thought that my asking that question means that they are wrong. You people, sometimes you just have to have guts. You need to have guts. You know what it means to have guts? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure
The
you know what
right
it means
to
to
do
have
something.
guts?
Yes, the right
Yes,
to
sir.
do
It means to
something.
be bold, isn't it?
Mm.
Hmm? To have guts means that you stand your ground. No matter how, if somebody, have you people watched this program before? Who wants to be a millionaire?
No.
You've not watched it. You should just ask your mommy to play. Look, or you can even, look for some. It's even whether it's the Nigerian edition or the one for that they do in America.
His
They
name
will
what?
ask you a
Dennis.
question, and then you will give an answer. You are supposed to choose an answer, A, B, C, or D. The person will now ask you, is that your final answer? Sometimes the person is trying to help you to make sure that you choose the right answer. Some other times you are right, but the person is trying to be sure that you are really confident about your answer. So, Favor, are you sure about your answer? Now, I
Yes, sir.
just put something in front of you there. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. How many of us remember this fact? Okay, Favor remembers it. Faith, did you remember? Be very honest with
I
yourself.
I remember it. I remember
Good, you
it.
remembered it. So now let's check whether what Favor said is right or not. And I don't know why Favor is not sure of herself. If she
I
said
said I'm
something, then she
sure
should
now.
be sure. Eh? You said
There
what?
was a
Okay. Now, the question asked us to convert this to centimeters. Remember that thing I told you people about converting from one unit to another? It still applies here. Now, you are going from meters. Watch the direction of the arrow. From meters to what? Centimeters, right?
yes, sir.
What number is beside meters?
One.
1. So that means that you are going from 1 to what?
100.
100. Now, what can make 1 to become 100? Is it multiplication or division? These are the questions you ask yourself. Now, I'm helping you with this method so that in case you forget in exam, in case you forget, you can remember what to do correctly. So from 1 to 100, what can make 1 to become 100? Yes,
100 times 1.
multiplication, isn't it? So that
Yes,
means
sir.
for me to convert from meters to centimeters, I must multiply by what? 100. Is that
100.
okay?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So if I multiply 0.3 by 100, what would that give me?
30 centimeters. 30 centimeters.
Good. So is Favor sure now? Is she really, really sure?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Next time, I need you to be very, very sure. You can go ahead and write.
Now, what did you say the movie was? The name
It's
was.
not a movie, it's a show. I think it's 30 minutes or 1 hour. That time they used to do it. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire with Frank Edoho. That
Who?
was the name of the host. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Nigerian edition. But I've forgotten the name of the host that does the American edition. It's an interesting program. In fact, anytime you we sit down to watch it that time, we learn a lot. Like things that you never thought about. Some things you know them. Some of them, when the question starts getting hard, and for each level, there's usually an amount that you win. And there's a level that you can get to. If you fail the question, everything that you have won up to that level, you lose it. So it's a very interesting game. Like, interesting. And some people have won up to 1 million before, like, I mean, like you sit down, but not in one show, obviously, because, the questions are going up and down, on and on and on and on. There's 50-50, there's call a friend, stuff like that. Okay, so are you done writing? If I were
Yes,
you,
sir.
I'll write down everything I'm seeing right here, because you see that arrow, those arrows I'm drawing, and the 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, blah, blah, blah. I can assure you that
I've written
that
it.
method never fails. When I say it never fails, I'm telling you, I have tried it. Every time it works, every single time. The only thing now is that you must make sure that you know your conversion unit. In other words, if you did not know that 100 centimeters makes 1 meter, this method cannot help you. It's useless to you because you don't even know the basic things. Do you understand what I'm saying? You must know those basic things. Okay. All right. So are we done?
No, sir.
Faith, you're not done,
Yes,
but you're almost done.
yes, sir. Say what
Okay.
is done.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, Favor, you can help us with the next question while Faith is still writing. 84,321 in Roman numerals. 84,000.
84.
Well, it's looking really massive to me. I don't know. I think there's a mistake somewhere. I think so. I don't know. 80 LXXX. L is 50, right?
Yes, sir.
So this thing is looking
Sir, I've
confusing.
seen my answer.
84,000. 84,000.
That is see. We see 1,000 is one. This one is showing 3M. It means 84,000.
Uh, eh, I am just thinking about it too. 1,000 is isn't it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So, so 84,000, does it now mean 84 in front of 1,000? Is that what it means? It looks somehow to me. I don't know, but this question is somehow. I'll
Sir,
confirm it. I'll confirm it. I don't really subscribe to this answer, but yeah, I'll confirm it. 84,321. Okay. Yeah, I think if there's anyone that looks like the answer, yes, I'll go with C. So yes, but that's
listen.
fine. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Faith, can you do this one for us? Can you figure out the sample for us? Favor, you'd. Oh, there's no other one. Okay, Favor, don't worry. You'll do the next one, the next quantitative. You start the next quantitative for us. Faith, look at this one and figure it out for us. What's happening here?
Sir,
Yes?
my answer was correct. It is C.
Your answer
What?
was what?
Correct. We went to go and ask Google. Who and
Oh, you went to
who
ask
and
Google.
who? No, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. No problem now. If Google says it's right, I think we can agree with Google on that. Okay. Can we go on to the quantitative now? Faith.
Sir.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't think anybody fail it. Sir.
Faith, are you telling me that you're still writing that number 25?
No, sir.
So, oh yeah, now help us with the quantitative.
Sir, this number one sample is not is
It's not complete, right? It's a question. No, don't mind them. Do number 2 and number 3.
How to get this 5 here? We will do 3 plus 2 is 5. How to get the 6? 4 plus 2 is 6. How to get the 0? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. So she's missing out one thing. Which one?
Now, do you see there's a problem with this sample self? 5 minus 3 is 2, right? Was that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Or did you say 3 plus 2 is 5?
3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
So how did they get the 0?
Thank you, sir. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 5 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0.
Wow. So that means all of them will always have 0 then. Is that not what it means?
No. Sir, may I proceed?
Yes. I think there's a mistake in this question.
That this 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6.
6 plus 0 is what?
6. Now, how to get the 0 now? We do.
Try and do number 27 now. Number 27 is messed up too, if you ask me, because 3 minus 2 is not 2.
How to get this downside? The downside, we do 2 plus this one. There's no answer number 27.
3 minus 2 is 1. So, can anybody figure out number 28 for us?
28, yes, sir.
It should be what? 8, right?
No, sir. It should
Even the answer is not there.
It's supposed to be 38, not 37.
It's supposed to be what?
38.
How? If you follow your sample, were you not telling me that 3 plus 2 is 5? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, is it 38?
No, I said 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 30 is 38.
Hey. Okay. Well, even the 38 is not there, so I think we should just free them, Abby.
Yes.
Let's go to the next one.
Wait, sir.
Yes. Favor, you still want to work on it? Don't allow this thing to waste your time.
I just saw the answers. All of us were mixing it up.
You said what?
We were mixing it up.
Mixing what up?
Yes. This
mixing what up now?
So this.
What are you mixing up?
3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 0, 6. 8. Oh, yeah, solve this one number 27. If you see our
Favor, I'm sorry. We don't have enough. We don't have time. If I run out of battery now, it will not be nice that we wasted time on this question. Okay? It won't be nice at all. I won't like it. Oh yeah, let's go to this one. So if you notice that question, if you see the question was tilted, I think Mommy tilted her phone when she was snapping it. So that's why I can't use that one that she sent. I had to download it and rotate it. But can you see it clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's work on it. So who can tell me what we're gonna do?
Number 1 says if.
Hold on. Yes. Okay. Go ahead.
Sir, this one says yes. Number 1 is very simple. If wait. If 14 plus
14x plus
10.
Is it 14 or 14x?
14x
If 14x plus 24 equals 10x plus 14, find the value of it. So I'm going to collect like 10. So that will be 14
Good.
minus 10, that is 4. And we're going to do 40.
That would be what?
We're going to do 14 minus 10 equals 40 minus 24.
Now, did you just say 14 minus 10 or 14x minus 10x?
I mean 14x minus 10x equals
Okay,
to
good.
4x.
Equals what?
Equals 40 minus 24. So 14x minus 10x is 4. 40 minus 24 is 16. 4 we'll divide both sides by 4. 4 in itself, 4 is 16. 4. So our answer is 4.
Okay, I like that. I write it down since you figured it out. So now this one now, how do you know which year it is? This one that they just said mathematics set C. How do you know which year it is?
First go to the... Is it not 2021? It's okay. It's not 2021 now. 2021. 2022.
Okay. So how did you see it? I didn't see it on my own.
No, you have to go back
Oh, really?
and check. Yes, sir. And sir, by
Okay,
the
so
way,
this
the
is
coding
2022,
assignment,
right?
they gave us another assignment.
Well, if you are sure, I'll go with whatever you say.
Okay, sir. Sir, the coding assignment, they gave us another one.
They gave you another word.
Yes, another coding assignment.
Another one.
Yes, sir.
It's like your teacher is really on fire. Why did he give you another one?
I don't know, but he did not even explain it to us.
Okay, but is the one that he gave you simpler? Is this something people can do?
I'm not really sure, but I want to ask you. But me and Faith own is about drawing a house and a tree. You should code, not draw. It's a code. To code. And treasure is to draw a mouse.
Draw a mouse.
I mean code a mouse.
Huh?
Treasure is...
But did he give you the code for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
All right.
we did not do, we did the same color again. Again. Sir, if he said he has taught us, why is he giving us the code to do it? We were supposed to do it ourselves, but he has not taught us how to do it.
And he knows now. He knows that you people don't know enough to be able to do it by yourself. So he has to assist you by doing it like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you guys done with number 1?
Yeah. Treasure. Come help me fetch it. See the everything is.
Are we?
Number 2 says, which of these figures is not a three-dimensional shape?
Where are you going, Favor?
What to take what?
She wants to do what?
Take what? So number 2 says, which of these figures is not a... This question they give, which of these shapes instead of shapes they rule figures? Have you seen number 2? No. Number 2 says, which of these figures is not a three-dimensional shape? Instead of, which of these shape is not a three-dimensional shape? Is that 3, not 2?
Mm-hmm.
Three-dimensional shape. What is it?
So which one is?
I would say a cube. Which one do you want to see? A cube. You already started to spoil it. Give my pen. Oh my! Give me my white. Oh, okay. Give it to me.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. How did
Okay.
you?
So which of these figures is not a three-dimensional shape? Which of them? Quickly.
Sir, Favor said the cube is not a three-dimensional shape. That's what Favor said. Did not say it. Cube.
So what did you say? What's your own? Don't tell me what Favor said. What are you
It's a
saying?
cube. Cube has 4 sides. No, wait. A spare. Spare.
It's what?
A spare.
It's fair.
It is a spare. No, a triangle.
Do you know the meaning of three-dimensional at all?
Yeah.
Do you know the meaning of three-dimensional?
Oh, it's a cube. Cubes are two-dimensional shape.
Hey. Now let me say something. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Now, listen to me. Anything you can draw on a piece of paper, what I mean by that is, you know how a piece of paper is flat, isn't it?
Yeah, very flat.
Good. So now a plane shape, I want you to listen up. A plane shape, like a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, all of them have only 2 dimensions. What do I mean by the 2 dimensions? For instance, look at your square, your rectangle. Your rectangle has length and breadth, right? Isn't it? But now, did you notice that nobody can ask you a question like this? Find the volume of a rectangle. Can you see that question is not possible?
Yes, I
Good. But they can tell you to find the volume of a cube. Haven't you seen questions like that?
Yes.
Why? Because a cube has length, breadth, and height. How many dimensions is that?
3.
Good. So, Favor, clearly, cube cannot be 2 dimensions. Cannot be 2 dimensions. So it's obviously triangle. Okay, triangle is the one that has what? 2 dimensions. So it is not a 3-dimensional shape. Did you get that?
Did you have 2 dimensions? You not have 2 dimensions.
So do you understand it better now?
Do
Do you understand it better now?
Yes. No, no, no.
All those other shapes, they have 3 dimensions. Okay, just
Cone is
understand it like
sphere.
that. Cone has 3 dimensions. Sphere is like a ball, isn't it? When you think about a sphere, what are you thinking about? Like
Like
a
a
football, isn't it? Like the world, isn't it? So
yes.
whenever you think about objects, objects cannot be 2 dimensions. Just understand it like that. Okay. So cone. Remember you when we discussed about cone, what did you tell me about? Those caps that clowns wear, isn't it?
Yes.
Or that like your ice cream cone, isn't it?
Yes.
So whenever you think about a shape and what comes to your mind is something you can hold, touch, feel, something that has a volume. Please, it's no longer 2 dimensional. It's what? 3 dimensional. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay. So have you written down the answer in your book?
No, sir.
Please write it down. Triangle is 2 dimensional. That is why it's not a 3 dimensional shape. But the others, whenever you think about them, you think about objects that can be touched, held, or felt, or that objects that have volume. So there's no way they can be 2 dimensional. Okay, can we move on now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you can see I'm taking it easy today, but it does not mean that we don't. In fact, I'm really praying that there will be a miracle soon, like the other day. Find the unknown side in the right angle triangle below. So who can help us with this? This is a very simple question, madly simple. Faith, do you want to try? Favor, let's
Favor
give
to
Faith a
try.
chance.
I
Let's give
want to
Faith
try.
a
So
chance.
you said that the last time I did not get it. So can
The
I
last
try?
time you did
You
not
said
get it.
face
The
the
last
last
time you did
time.
not get what?
So you said
The
you
last
know
time you did not get what?
how
Talk
to
to me now. The
the
last time you
last
did not get what?
you know when the last time I said when we're looking for this side that was X, I said we should practice until then now.
So did I tell you that because you did not get it, that you should try the next time that you will do it?
Which will be
Hmm? Did I promise that? The only thing I promised you today that I remembered is that when we are doing quantitative, you are the one that will do the first sample. That's what I promised you. And even at that, we found out that that sample was not even good. So that's why I said, let's give Faith a chance. Faith, I need you to quickly tackle this. What should we
we
do?
we will do how to get the hypotenuse. Oh,
Thank you. The hypotenuse is good. You see, when you are answering a question and you are calling things by their right names, there's every likelihood that you will get the answer. Uh-huh.
how to get the hypotenuse? We will do
Yes.
y square equals
Yes.
y square equals to 1a square plus b square.
Okay, so what is our a squared?
Y square equals to 81 plus 144. Treasure.
Plus what?
81 plus 144. That is
Thank you.
225. And y
That will
square
be what?
225.
You've already
200
calculated it in your head.
divided by the square root of 225 is 50. So our
Good,
final
good,
answer is 50.
good. I like that. You guys have actually improved now. I can see that. Well done. You see, this is what happens when you go through. I think you went through the one we did last time, right?
No, but we still listened when he did the last time.
Okay.
Who did not go through it? Me, I go through. Go through.
Okay. Oh yeah, go ahead and write it. At least you've been able to figure it out. So you can go ahead and write it in your book.
Y square plus 12 square. Y square equals 18. Y square equals therefore y equals square root of 220 equals 15 centimeters. So favor is done.
Not as much. Because I was hearing you saying it as I was writing it. Okay, so I think this one is fine. Okay, so can I move on?
Yes.
Hmm?
Hey!
Can I move on now?
Yes.
Paige, you're not done.
Done.
Okay, good. All right. Now, let me see. I know this question, this particular question, we've done it together, but it's been a while since we've seen questions like it. Let me see if you remember. Express 48 minutes as a fraction of 4 hours.
1/5.
48 minutes.
One
You see
over
that,
five.
like
One over
I
five.
keep telling you. I
One
keep
over
telling
five.
you, anytime you rush and start, your mind is thinking about the answer, more than 50% of the time, you will be wrong. I can assure you straight up. When you give me an answer without thinking,
Sir,
you
48 minutes
skip
as
a
a
process.
fraction of 4 hours is also known as 48 over 240.
48 over what?
240.
How did you get 240? I'm interested.
Four
Yes,
4 times 60. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. So 60
good,
times 4 equals 240.
good, good.
48 over 240. If we divide it, our answer will be 1/5. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I like that. Good,
Hey.
good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. If you did that, if that's what you did and you went about that, that's good. But now let me ask you a question. Why didn't you say 4 divided by 48? Why didn't you do that?
4 divided by 48. No, 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 no. It will not give
Why
us an
didn't you do
answer.
that?
If we do 4 divided by 48, it will give us 1 over
Uh,
2. And that is not our answer.
yes, yes. But you know that funny enough, they even put 1 over 12 there, hoping that somebody will fall for it.
Yeah. And thank God I did
Uh,
not fall. You when I was saying
okay.
my answer, were you not saying? I was just fainting.
Okay.
Why?
So this
I'm
is
supposed
what
to
we
recover
did,
from
right?
fainting.
We remembered see what I'm happy about. Are you listening?
Yeah.
I
Yes.
noticed that you remember that this thing I said about the word off. Anything that comes after the word off is in the denominator, right?
Yes.
And the other number is what? The numerator. I'm happy about that. So that's a good one. Okay. So you can write it down in your book. I think you can finish it from here.
Hey. So,
Can you
no,
finish it from here?
no. Okay. Yeah. So,
Okay, don't worry. Let me see if I can finish it. But it now means I'll have to. I don't even know why I'm not using
we
paint
can
these
do it.
days.
So we can do
Don't
it.
mind me.
So we can do it. Don't
Okay,
want
go ahead now. Yeah, go ahead and do it.
Okay. Because I heard now they will not be giving us much note.
Okay. So I think, I don't know, who can help us with that number 5 question? It looks like something is missing there. So do
Yeah.
you know what I'm
So if
thinking?
fifth sir is
I think it's a plus, isn't it? What do you
yes,
think
sir.
it is?
5
Plus, right?
or no, 5 plus 3/10.
And the answer is
5 for number 3/10. So simple, anybody can not
very
fail
simple,
it.
yes.
It's a
Number
lot.
6. Number 6, they messed up number 6 again. Nothing there.
Reduce. So the answer is 5 for number 3/10. Wait, reduce it to its lowest.
There's something there that's missing. Do you get?
Reduce blah 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 to its lowest.
So we don't know. So that means we should leave it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty.
So wait, though I have my book. I'm going to check.
What? What happened?
Favor has a book. Is my mommy snapped my own book.
Okay, so where is Favor's book?
Favor's book is in a bag.
She went to get it. Okay.
My own is clear. It is.
Your own is clear.
Yes, sir. 240 over 260.
For which one? Number 6?
Yes, sir. And then number 5 is plus.
240, right?
240 over 260.
Over 260.
Yes, sir. 240 over 260. Hey, sir,
Like
they're
this,
looking
Abi?
at us. So. Yeah.
Which is what?
It's 12 over 3. 12 over 13.
Okay. Nice. I like the way you said the answer is looking at us. Okay. All right. So I think we can close this and go to the next one.
Next one.
Okay.
7. The place value of 5. Faith, answer. 7, sorry, I'm moving to the next page. What is the place value of 5? Yeah, sir. This one, Faith used to always fail it. Faith always fail this number 7.
Which one?
Number 7. She will answer.
Okay, Ayana. So, Faith, do you agree that you always fail it? Is it true?
Yes. So the answer is. Let me hear. Answer is what? 100. Hey! Yeah, okay.
She's right
100.
now.
Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure?
She's
yes.
right.
Are you
She's
really
right.
sure? Yes. You're correct. First time in history, oh.
Is it the first time?
Yes, oh.
Faith, if I were you, I will make sure that Favor never says this thing about me again. I will never fail any question in my life.
No, is this number 7 question I used to fail? Because I used to think that this one here is this back one here is tens and this one here is
Okay.
hundreds.
Okay.
What's the spelling?
Okay, so can we go to number 8 now? Now, number 8. Who is doing number 8 for us? Very simple. Okay. 15 bags of rice weigh what?
What is the average of the bag?
Yes. What's the average weight of the bags? Favor, what are we going to do here?
We're going to do 15. 15.
Favor, should I shock you? Should I shock you? The answer is looking at you now. The
Yeah.
answer. In fact, the method that you are supposed to use is looking at you straight in the face. I'm going to give the opportunity to Faith since you can't answer my question. Oh yeah, Faith, try.
We do, if I want to read it, sure I will do 15 over 4,680.
Faith, Faith. Why did you not disappoint me? Look at the question there. What does the question say? Did it not say average weight of the bags?
Okay.
What does average mean? Does average not mean total over the number of items? Is that not what average means? Favor, I'm even surprised. You said you could not even answer something. I said, even Faith's own was that she turned it upside down. Faith and
What is
Favor.
laughing at? Why are you laughing?
You people are wonderful girls. So please, the answer is simply 4,680 divided by 15. Simple. Nothing else. Now, I know you are thinking. Yes, I know what you are thinking. You are thinking average says we should add first before we divide. But what if they've already added it for you? What if all that's left for you is to do what? Divide. Must you add? Is it by force? It's not by force that you must add. If they've added it for you, won't you just collect what they've added and divide? Did you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there you go. Your answer should be out in sight. So who has gotten the final answer? 4,680 divided by 15. What's
So I do for 4,680
680 divided by 15?
divided by 15.
Yes. What did you get?
Is the answer is not there. The answer is not there. Calm down.
The
Yeah.
answer is not there.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay, the answer is
What is the answer?
the answer is 316.
So how is 316 there?
Oh, no, it's 312. I meant.
Are you sure of yourself now? This one that you're telling me you meant.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, tell me how you did your own. What did you use to divide?
4,680 over 15. I used 5 to divide it. So our answer is 312 kg. So
Okay.
if 5 in 46 is 9 remaining. 5 in 18 is 5 in 18. People, what happened? 5 in 18.
Talk now. Why are you listening to her? 5 in 18 is what?
The answer is there. The answer is 312 kg. Be simple. I don't understand.
Faith, don't allow anybody to distract you whenever you're talking.
You
You are saying something.
And I don't want to hear it now. So we use 3 in the cell phone, 3 in 996, that is 312.
Okay. Oh yeah, now. I guess we've all done it, right? So let's keep moving.
So the answer is D. Which?
Yes, the answer is D. Yes, I agree with that.
No answer. No, I said
Who said no answer?
Faith said no answer before. She said no answer.
She said no answer before because she mistakenly got 316.
How did you get the? Let me alone. Me ask somebody question did not answer.
Okay. Who can do number 9 for us?
Favor. Sir, you say you can do it now. Continue. That's simple question. You're saying
Favor, are you
Yes,
intimidated
sir.
by that number? Is the number intimidating you?
30 million.
Yes.
30 million
Yes.
208,688. That
Well
is
done.
B.
That is a huge amount of money, don't you think so?
If they say it is in money, you transfer it to my bank. It's not a bank. They should leave our own bank. 100 naira.
What do you think you can do with that kind of
If
money?
they say that if we have to wait for this money to come in 5
If
years,
they just say that Favor or Faith in your account there is 30 million now, what would you do with that money?
I will
Yes.
take half of the 30 million. That is 150.
You will take half of it and do what with it?
Thank you. 50 million will be remaining inside your bank. What do you use the 50
You will take half and do
million
what
that
with
you
it?
I will use the remaining 50 million to help the people that are in need.
Okay, you will help people
If
in
they
need.
give
I
me
like
30
that.
million, I will use
I
1
like
million
that.
on my
But what will you do with the one
and the
that you
remaining
didn't
50
use to
million,
help people in
and the
need?
remaining 50 million, I will make an orphanage.
You will start a new business.
So when they will give me 30 million, I'll use 1 million. I'll buy canopy. Next
Buy
one,
what? Which car is 1 million?
She wants to.
The days that car was 1 million have passed long time ago.
Then
I'm sure you
I'll
are not
use
even born by then.
I'll use 2
Okay.
million to buy 2 cars.
I wish. As I'm telling you now,
That
even 30 million cannot buy some cars now. So
yes,
I think
30
it's a
million
wise
can buy.
investment.
Anyway, $100. I don't want
Okay, except if it's in dollars. If it's in
about the
dollars,
car like this,
then we're
even
talking about
Safari.
a different thing altogether.
Doing the
Yes.
Safari.
Okay, let's continue. So, Faith, are you doing number 10 for us?
No, sure. Favor wants to stick.
Faith, are you telling me you cannot do number 10?
I can do it. She said she can do it.
Yeah, do it now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Favor, where are you going to?
Favor, where are you going to?
I've always told you put this thing. Don't leave the class without taking permission.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Let's do something.
Faith, fix this for us.
Okay. And this is the thing I used to like to do.
You used to like to do it?
Yeah. Yes, I should do decimal of the whole day.
Okay. So look at the way I'm doing my own. I don't know how you're doing your own.
That's how I'm doing my own.
I'll break it into the lowest terms first. Then I'll now do long division, right? Right?
Yay! Hey! Sir, I'm confused.
Yes? Why are you confused? What is confusing you?
I'm looking how you got the 8.
Look at the question. Is the question not straightforward?
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Look at it carefully. You will see that it's simple. It's because you are distracted. That's the reason why you are confused. So settle down. You'll see that it's simple. Can you see that it's simple now? Faith is doing something else, Abby?
No, yes, sir. Faith is doing surprise.
She's surprised. She's not getting the same answer as me. I'm sure she's not using my method.
I got the same. I got the answer 0.375. 0. Let me see the something. 0.375. After doing your hand, kasu.
Okay.
You.
So Faith, let me guess what you did. You didn't break your own down to lower steps, right? Why would you do such a thing?
This 6/16 equals to 0.16.
Why would you do such a thing? You want to give yourself work, Abby? That's exactly what you want to do. I write it down since I'm sure you've gotten it right. Favor. It's you that we're waiting for. Apparently, Faith has written her own down, unless she wants to write down my own method.
Sorry. I don't know.
So Faith, when you're writing it down, remember you do this. I'm sorry, Favor. You do this one first, followed by the division. You do the taking to lower stems first. Write this one down first before you do the division. Do you understand?
And did you touch my book? Eat that back my book for me. Which you back your book? You see this small thing. Now we have to back it. Then go still. Because this is not our screen. Then go to my place down. If not supposed to be doing something. Then go. Sir. 6/16. Sir.
Yes, Faith, what's up?
You muted your mic.
Oh, okay. So now, Faith, I want you to be very, very honest with yourself. Your method, when you used it, you did not break it down. And my own method, which one is better? Just be honest with yourself, or don't try to prove any point. Which one would you prefer to do?
My own method.
Your own method. So you see, let me just tell you plainly. Let me tell you plainly. When you use big numbers, see what just listen to me. Just listen. You are setting yourself up for mistakes. Let me tell you why. Now, it's not as if I cannot do it 16 into 6 straight. In fact, I even have more experience if I want to use the numbers straight away. But what did I do? I broke them down. It's not because I just like simple things, so I'm avoiding hard things. No. There's something about using numbers that, number one, you know their multiplication table very well. You're not trying to come up with, okay, let me try 16 times 2, 16 times 3. No, you're not doing that, all that stuff. You know the times table very well. You know 3 times table. You know 8 times table. Nobody will start saying that they don't know those ones. So that's why I purposely broke them down before I started doing the division.
Yeah.
So, Favor, are you done writing?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all right. So let's go to number 11. What does number 11 say?
11 says.
Yes.
11 says if a grocer.
You know who a grocer is? Somebody who goes to buy groceries, right?
Yes. Groceries.
So whenever your mom goes to ShopRite or Ebano, she's at that point, she's what?
My dad that likes to go shopping very
Okay, so your dad that likes to go shopping, eh?
Yeah, sometimes he take us and he
Okay, so at that point that he's entering, which shop does your dad like to go to?
Jendol supermarket.
Jendol.
Yes, sir.
Jendol, eh? Okay. You people have Jendol over there. Do you have Blanco too?
Sir?
Blanco.
Blanco. I don't know
You've
the
not heard
meaning.
of Blanco? Okay. So those are different shops right now. There's Boku, there's Ebano. There are quite a
Yeah, there
number
is
anyways.
Boku. I've gone to Boku. I've
You've
gone
gone to
to.
Boku before.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can
So
buy
let's
Boku.
imagine your dad bought 24 eggs, but this amount
Hey,
is very small. This
hey.
is not possible
Ah,
in today's
seven
Nigeria.
point
But anyway, let's
seven
pretend it was possible.
naira
7 naira
each.
20 kobo,
20 kobo
right?
each.
Mm.
If he sold them for 25 kobo each,
25 kobo
how
each.
many did he
How
lose?
much did he lose? So now I want you to
One
take note of the
naira
fact. The
20
question has
kobo.
already
One
told you
naira 20
that
kobo.
he
He lost
made
one
a
naira
loss.
20 kobo.
Did
One
you notice
naira
that?
20 kobo.
Did you notice? Did you notice something? The question has already told you that he made a loss. So if you go and start calculating as if there's a profit, you have already failed it. Okay. So what's the formula for loss? Who can tell me?
Cost price minus
Yes.
selling price.
Excellent. Cost price minus selling price. So which one would you like to do? Would you like us to use the collective price? I think which one is easier? We know the collective cost price, isn't it? I think we should find the collective selling price before we subtract, right? Who understands what I'm saying? What I mean by collective? Who understands?
Sir, you have missed something. No?
What?
You did not calculate for how the total of our dad, how much is
That is
sold.
exact. That's what I'm calling collective. Okay. Is it because I did not say total? Okay, no problem. Total or collective. That's what it means. Do you understand?
That is 6. The total is 6 naira. We sold them for 6 naira. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell us how you got 6 naira?
I did 25 times 24. That is
Oh,
600.
yes.
So
Yes,
do
good.
25 times if you do it, if it converts
Favor,
to
instead of you to be listening, you are busy exclaiming. Do you think that she failed it?
No, I'm wondering why she multiplied. So we will do.
Why won't she multiply? They said 25 kobo. Did you not see each?
So
Didn't you
after we
see
get our 6 naira, we minus 6 naira from 7 naira 20 kobo. That's 1 naira 20 kobo.
You're right. You're right. So, Favor, do you understand?
Yeah, I don't understand. The way she's rushing and shouting, I don't understand.
Okay, now,
No,
Favor, listen. Listen. If you didn't understand, please listen. Now, what she did was that she first decided to find the total selling price. Now, if the question told us that he bought 24 eggs, so that means, and remember, this question is not like that one that told us that some of the eggs got broken. So all the eggs were intact. Now, 24 times 25 will give you the price for the 24 eggs, isn't it?
she's such.
Eh? Favor, isn't it?
Yes,
Now, when you multiply 25 by 24, what do you get? Favor, you are not sure because you didn't do it. Okay, but if you do it, you are supposed to get 600 kobo. And when you change 600 kobo to naira, it's what? 6 naira, isn't it?
yes.
Uh-huh. So now that you have 6 naira, the loss is what? Cost price minus selling price. And the cost price is what? 7 naira 20 kobo. So you write your 7.20 at the top. Okay, since that's the cost price. And then your 6 naira at the bottom, since that's the selling price. And the 6 naira doesn't have any kobo. So obviously you just put what? 0 and 0 there. And by the time you subtract, what do you have?
To be 1 naira to recover.
So now I'm careful now. I don't want to write that 1 naira there because it will look as if, okay. So the answer is what?
1
1
naira
naira,
kobo.
20 kobo. So you can go ahead and write it down.
We're going to do 25. Done. So there's no answer for number. Hey, I'm not one. What is I don't understand. You haven't even gone to number 12. You're still doing there's no answer, there's no answer. Me, I'm not. Are you me? Telling me, I don't care.
So I understand Faith has finished solving number 11. She was the one that helped us solve it. So I think I understand why she went to number 12. Oh, yeah, Faith, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Faith, are you really sure there's no answer for number 12? Because we're about to solve it too.
If we do MDX minus
Yes.
X plus
Yes. So what is MDX? Let's find out what MDX is. What is MDX?
1,510.
1,510. Favor, do you agree with that?
Minus 60. 1,000.
Favor, do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1,510 minus what?
60.
Minus 60. Okay. So what is the answer to this?
So the answer, if we minus it, it will be 1,450.
Okay. Yes. She's right now. So what next? Plus what?
They said also plus 44. 44. So 1,400 plus 44. That is 1,490.
1,494. So when you change 1,494 to this thing, Roman numerals, what would that be?
MCD. Yes. MCD. XC. IV. And there's nothing like that in the option.
MC what?
MCD. XC.
MC what? MCI 1,400. 400. What is 400 in Roman numerals?
See, sir, it's not 1,490. 1,494. No, CD is 400.
Okay, sorry. Yes, I got you. What is this thing?
400. CD.
In Roman numerals?
CD.
CD. Which one is IV? I heard somebody saying IV now.
No, when we were saying it, we were going to. We have finished everything like one MCD. Yes.
Okay.
IV.
So 94 is what?
94 is XC.
XC. Okay. Sorry. XC.
94.
Okay.
XC. IV.
XC IV, right?
Yes, sir.
And there's no one that looks like this.
Yes, sir.
So it's one of those questions that there's no answer now. Skip it. Okay, let's do number 13 before the laptop goes off on us. Number 13. Maybe that's where we'll stop for now.
Find the distance.
I'm hoping there will be light later or we can do something about it. Find the distance traveled at 80 kilometers per hour for what? 3 hours.
240 km.
So
240 km.
so we know that speed is equal to what?
Distance divided by time.
Distance divided by time. And distance is equal to what?
Distance is equal to, we are looking for the distance. So
Yes.
how to solve for distance is speed times time.
Good. Speed times time. So when you multiply 80 by 3, what do you have?
240 km.
Okay. So that one is quite simple. Okay. Let's see if we can quickly do number 14. Below are 10 students, scores for 10 students in a mathematics test. What is the modal score? Mode is what? Who can tell us?
The one that is common.
Yes, that occurs most. Yes. So which one occurs most?
12.
12. Thank you very much. The answer is 12. So you can see what they did? They scattered it. If you're not careful, you will not see that 12. That is the common one. Well done. Okay, number 15. When dash is added to 25, the result is 34. Is it not simply subtract 25 from 34?
Equals 9.
9. Thank you very much. Calculate the volume of a cuboid, length 10 cm, breadth 5 cm, height 3 cm. What's formula for volume?
You times the length times breadth times height. So that will be equals 150 centimeter cubed.
150. Good. Well done. Okay, now 17. It's a miracle if we can do 17. Find the speed of a train which traveled at a distance of 8 kilometers in 45 minutes.
If we're looking for
in 45 minutes.
Now first we'll change that 45 minutes to hours.
Thank you. So when we change it to hours, what will it become?
That will be 45 over 60.
45 over 60.
Then we'll do the 8 kilometer over 45 over 60. Loving you is a losing game. Losing game. My love, loving you is a losing game. Losing game. My love, loving you is a losing game. You are my losing game. My love, you is a losing game. You are my losing game. Loving you is a losing game. Wait. We're going to see. See my eyes is not black. See my eyes not black. So welcome, sir. So you're on mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Not really. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Oh my, I just need to say that and then I'll be only for I'll be doing like this. Yes, sir. I'll be worshiping. And I will not be singing. I'll be wearing headphone, wireless ear. Then I'll not be there. I'll not be there. Saka, please,
Okay. Can you hear you?
No, we can't hear you. Sir, somebody here is doing a singing competition. Woo! Yeah. Love you is a losing girl to us. Singer. Oh, my love you. Sir, here someone is singing. Oh. Hey, on the kata. That's what I said. This is the kata. On the kata.
Hello.
Sir, we can't try you really. Sir, see Bento, Betty singing.
Faith is saying what?
Betty singing. Why are you singing? Betty singing. It's not fair. You're singing love you singing.
I like the
So number what were we? Number 17. Number 17. 60.
Huh?
I mean,
yes, listening.
So we're going to do.
Start. I'm listening.
So we'll do 8 kilometers over 45 over 60.
That's going to be what? What do we do next? 8 divided by 5.
8 divided by
Yeah.
So we're going to use 4 in 8. It's 2. 4 in 6. It is 4. I mean 15. And they'll carry it to 2 in.
It's divided by 45 over 6. What do you do next?
Sir?
Mm-hmm.
Cannot.
What do you do next before you start answering?
You first. You do, sir. Sir, I said. Sir.
I'm listening to you. Go ahead. What would you do?
You say? Sorry, we cannot hear. We can't hear you.
You can't hear me.
Yes, your voice was cracking before. I think
Okay.
no, it's cracking.
But can you hear me?
Not really. No. It's still cracking.
It's still cracking.
Yes, sir. But we can hear you now.
But you can. Okay, better. Okay, now, so what's the next step? 8, you have 8. Where we stopped was 8 divided by 45 over 60. So what are you going to do next? What are you going to write next?
I'm going to do 5 in 60. 12, 5 in 45.
You still haven't gotten me. Before you start saying 5 in 60 or anything, what would you do next? There's a step you've not told me. There's something else you have to do. I told you, whenever you have a number divided by a fraction, what do you do? This is what is going to tell me whether you could actually do the revision I told you to do yesterday or day before yesterday.
That
What's the next step?
Okay. We will do 8 over 45 over 60. And if we take 45 over 60 to its lowest term, that will be 3 over 4.
After you take 45 over 60 to its lowest terms, what would you do next?
We will do 3 over 4 times 8 over 1.
Now, do you know what I've just done? You have turned the question upside down. The question was 8 divided by 45 over 60. What you just did now was to say 45 over 60 divided by 8. Do you understand that?
Okay, sir. Okay, I will.
So now, correct yourself.
Okay, if we will do 8 divided by 3 over 4. That will be 8 times 4 over 3.
Better. Thank you very much. You see, I was asking you that question because I wanted you to get it correctly by yourself. We have done, how many questions like this have we done recently? There will be almost 5 now. Questions like this on speed and time, speed and time, speed and time, speed and time. And the time is usually given in minutes, and you have to convert it to hours. So please take note of simple something so that we don't mess it up. Please. So when you say 8 times 4 over 3, what do you now get?
8 times 4 over 3. So we are going to... So 8 times 4. So that will be 8 over 1 divided by 4 over 3.
8 over 1 times 4 over 3 now. What do you do now?
8 over 8, calm down. 8 over 1. 8 over 1 times. So nothing can go, so we will do 8 times 4. That is 32. Is it correct?
Good. 32 divided by 4.
32 over 3.
That's what?
That's what.
Yes. 3 in 32 is what? 10.
3. Sir.
3 in 32 is 10, isn't it?
3 in 32, yes, sir, is 10. Yes, 10 remainder 2. Or it's 10.6. Or it's 10.6. 10.6.
Thank you very much. 10.66666 You know, it
That-
continues, right?
Yes.
10.6.
10.6 still continues. It will be 10.6666666666.
Okay. Have you written it down in your book?
Sir, write it down in your book.
Have you written it down in your book? Please write it down. Write it down correctly. Oh. You know, I'm not with my computer now, so I'm not writing anything. Okay, are we gone? Are we done? Sorry. Remember, the original question, the original formula was what? 8 divided by 45 over 60. Then you will now take it down to 8 divided by 3 over 4. Then you can now do that 8 times 4 over 3. Please don't forget the order.
Now we're going to number 18. Given that x squared plus 9 equals 20. X squared plus x squared plus find the 4. That is 4. 4 square. That is 16. 16 plus 9 is what? 25.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Our answer is 4.
Okay, Favor, do you agree with her?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next question.
It is me this time. Numbers.
Let's go to the next question.
What can be added to 259 to obtain 978? So
what should we do?
So we're going to do is
Subtraction, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That will be 719.
Okay. Is that the final answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Next question.
There are 860 oranges in a basket. 40 of them are bad. That is 120. The percentage, which of the percent? What the percentage of the? What percentage of the oranges are good? 120.
Read the question again. I told you, whenever you read a question like this, read it twice. First time you are reading it just to get the gist of it. Second time you are reading it to get the real meaning and get the data out. Or your second time, read it now.
There are 160 oranges in a basket. 40 of them are bad. What percentage of the oranges are good?
Good. Now the question is this: how many are good?
120. 120 are good.
160 minus what?
Minus 100.
No. They said there were 160 oranges altogether, right?
Yes.
How many were bad?
40.
Good. So 160 minus 40 gave you what?
120. 120. I said 120. I not say 160.
120. Good. Now remember the question said what percentage are good, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now that we know how many were good, 120. What are you going to do with that 120?
We divide 120 by 100.
Why 100?
Because they said what percentage of the oranges are good. Percent means
Okay, I understand. So that's what made you to think it's over 100. No, in a question like this, you take the number that they are interested in, which is in this case the number that are good, divided by the total. Did you hear me? Divided by the what? The total. It's after dividing it by the total that you now say times 100 over 1. Did you get that now?
Yes, sir.
The only time you do over 100 is when the number itself is a percentage. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So well done, you tried, but it's not 120 over 100, but rather 120 over 160 times 100 over 1. So when you do that, what did you get?
75.
75.
Percentage.
All right. Is there an answer there?
Yes, sir. That is 75.
Well done. Yes. Now let me just test you. So now that we know how the percentage that are good, what percentage is bad? Automatically, what percentage is bad? Who can quickly solve that in their head?
Now you see what?
Who can quickly solve it in their head? What percentage of the oranges are bad?
There are wow. 25% are bad. 25% are bad.
Thank you. 25%. 25. All you needed to do was to just say 100% minus 75%. Finish. Okay, let's go on to the next question. Now, do you know there's another way you can solve that part of being bad? The question has already told you that 40 are bad, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you could have still done the same thing that you did with the ones that were good. 40 divided by 160 times what? 100 over 1. Can you see how the answer 25 will also come out?
Yes, sir.
Good. So I always like to ask these questions because they could have asked you which percentage are bad, or the other way they asked. Okay, let's go to the next question.
Number 21 says if 20.4 times Q equals to 234.0, what is the value of Q? 10. 10.
What is the value of what?
Q 10.
Are you saying the answer or singing? I don't even know which one you people are doing.
The answer is 10.
You people want to confuse me. What is the question?
The question is 23 plus 23.4 times Q equals to 234.0. What is?
Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, there's a letter there. Okay, I understand. Okay, so the decimal point moved one place to the right, isn't it? Okay.
And the other also wrote 100. So some people will think it's
Okay, thank God that we're not some of those people, right?
What's Madam Faith now?
Okay. All right. Next question.
So number 22 says something. Simplify MD plus LX. MD is 1,500 plus LX equals to 60. 1,500 plus 60 is 1,810. Hey, 1,600. 1,560. Hey, correct.
1,500 plus 60 now. Abi?
Plus 49.
Okay.
Wait, though, plus 49.
Go ahead.
1,609. 1,609 M.
Okay, do you have the answer there?
Yes, and that is A.
Okay, good. Next question.
In a given data of 20 of 5 students in a test, which test 4, 6, 8, 5, 7. Find the mean.
Sorry, I did not get the question. Say it again, please.
In a given data of scores for 5 students in a test, 4, 6, 8, 5, and 7. Find the mean.
That one is easy now. Another name for mean is what?
Average.
Thank you. So just add everything and divide by 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
Who has finished? Who has finished it?
30. That's our answer is 6. Our answer is 6.
Okay, good. Well done. Let's go to the next question.
Okay. So 24 says, what is the formula of finding the volume? Length times breadth times height. Length times breadth times height. Length times breadth times height.
Length times breadth times height. Are they asking for the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's interesting. So that can you see some questions can just ask for formula. They're not interested in getting the answer. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one.
He says, given that R equals 4, S equals 3, T equals 2, find the value of 3R plus 2S minus T over 2. 3R is what? 3R is 3 times 4. 12 plus
12 plus 4.
The answer is 6 minus 2. 12 plus that is 12 plus 3R. Wait, calm down. 12 plus 6. 3R equals to 3 times 4. That minus is 2. That is 16. 16 divided by 2. That is 8.
So what's the final answer?
8.
Now that division sign, is it under all of them?
Yes, sir. Under.
Okay, you are good to go. All right, next question.
26. Bola had 10 number cards in a bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If she took two out random, what will the public number will be at the factor of 14? That is 7.
Now hold on. This is probability. Is it not probability question?
Yeah.
Is it not probability question? So don't just do it like the way you are doing it now. I like that you even tried. But now, question is this. Hold on. What is the formula of probability? That's where we start. whenever we want to answer a probability question. What is the formula for probability? Who can remember?
Sir, I had to say the truth. I've forgotten the formula of probability. Sir, please.
Okay, you have forgotten. It's good to be honest.
Because long time.
You are not going to answer the question. I will remind you of the formula. You answer the question. Now the formula is this: P bracket E. That's probability. Let me say it now. P bracket E. That probability of an event happening equals. Are you listening? Equals number of P bracket E. E is in brackets. Equals number of required events over number of possible events. Number of required events. Required is the number of events that the question is asking. Number of required events over number of possible events. So now I have given you the answer as per the formula. Who can now tell me how to solve it? So now I like the fact that you people even tried. So I think somebody said 7, right?
Yes, as favor.
But is 7 the only factor of 14 between 1 and 10?
7 and 2.
7 and 2. So now let us apply the formula. Are you with me? Are you with me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how many factors do we have between 1 and 10? Factors of 14 between 1 and 10. How many?
2.
Thank you very much. That is the number of required events. That's the number that the question is interested in. So, number of required events over number of possible events. Possible is just the total. So, between 1 and 10, how many numbers are there? Is it not 10?
Yeah.
So, 2 over 10 is what?
2 over 10 is 1 over 5.
Excellent. That's the final answer. Can you see it? Yes. Yes.
I said,
very easy. Can you tell probability is very easy?
I just guessed that time. I did not know. See, Faith has always guessed, so Madam Faith, the guesser.
Can you see how probability is very easy?
Sir, Faith said that when she said that her answer was 1 over 7, I said, she said, when you have said the answer 1 over 5, Faith said that she was just guessing that time. Yeah, well, because of I don't know the formula. They give them out.
Yes, I understand. Have you written down the formula now so that you just remind yourselves? Have you written down the formula?
Open bracket P, open bracket E, close bracket required.
Equals. You have to put the equal sign. Equals number of required events. That's the numerator. Divided by, you now put a division sign. Number of possible events.
Number of
possible events.
Events. Done.
Okay.
Even anybody friend number 27. Oh yeah. Papa. Come on, blow me now. Oh yeah.
Okay. Can we go to the next one now?
Yes. Yes, sir. So we're going to start. They say convert 10001 base 2 base 10.
Okay, convert 10001 base 2 to base 10, right? Okay. So now Who can tell me how we'll start it? How do you want to start your own? How many zeros are between the 1?
3.
3 zeros, good. So that means we have 5 digits altogether, right?
Yes, sir.
So we remember that the digit on the unit side is 2 raised to power 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Then that means you can now move to the left. 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, and then the last one, 2 raised to power 4, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you see all the ones in the middle are zeros, so you can ignore them. So all you have is what? 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 0. You add it up. Now question, 2 raised to power 0 is what?
2.
2 raised to power 0 is what?
They said that in base that this is raised to 0 to be raised to 1.
Thank you very much. Any number raised to power 0 is what? 1.
1.
So in other words, 1 times 1 is 1. Next one, 2 raised to power 4 is what?
2 raised to power 4 is...
Is what?
2 raised to power... 2 raised
Yes,
to
go
power
ahead.
4 is... 2 raised to power 4 is 2 raised to power 4 is 8.
No.
No, 16.
16. It's 16. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 16. Please don't make that mistake. 2 raised to power 4 is not the same thing as 2 times 4, please. So 16 plus 1 is what?
16 plus 1 is 17. No.
Finish. That's the answer. 17 to base 10. That's the answer. Have you written it down?
27.
So was there any question from that? Did you understand that my method of doing it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Please don't forget it. Now remember, the reason why I said we ignore the numbers in between the zeros is because 0 times anything is what? 0 times anything is what?
0. No need.
0. So that's the reason why we just ignore them. Okay, I think we're about to do our last question. That's number 27, right?
28.
28. Okay, go ahead. Or should we reach 30? Should we try and reach 30?
Let's reach 30.
Okay, let's go for
Number
it.
28 is 60,000. It says what is the value of 6 in 4, 4, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3. And the answer is 60,000. Yes. Can use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So is she correct? Is she correct?
No, 600,000. I am not saying what I don't know. But you...
That's good. Okay. All right, let's go to the next question. 29.
The student goes to school by 7:30 and left home. And he goes to school 7:30 and left by 2 p.m. How many minutes? 2:20 p.m. How many minutes did he spend in school? 8:30, 9:30, 9:30, 9:30, 11:30, 4:30.
4 point what? Are you calculating the time?
It is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4,
You're counting
5.
how many hours are there, right?
Yes, sir, 7.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Is it exactly 7 hours?
Yes, sir, 7.
Okay.
7 hours. If you convert 7 hours to minutes, it is 35. Equals to 42. 42 plus 50. 42 plus 50. No need of it. The 50 come. 42 plus 50. That is 470. And by the way, it's not there. So the answer is not 700. It's the answer is 720 minutes.
Did you just say 42 plus 50?
That's Madam Faye that said it. Wait, who did you say? Who is it? I said, so Faith is not correct. And I said, Faith is not correct. It will give us 400. I'll be spitting. I'm not spitting. I was spitting.
Wait. Girls, calm down. The question asks how many minutes are there in between, right?
Yes, sir.
7 times 6, is it not 42?
After said that we should plus 50. Since there are many 30 minutes plus the 20 minutes, that's 50 plus this thing. And I said
okay. Okay, now if there were, I asked you to put this question. Is it exactly 7 hours? Somebody said yes. If there's a minute, you have to add it now. Won't you add it? So how many minutes were to be added? 420 plus what? Plus 50. So that's 470. Simple.
That's not there. It's not there. That doesn't mean our answer is not there.
There's no problem now. If you are sure of what you solved, if the answer is not there, then it's not your fault.
It's their fault. It's not our fault.
Okay. All right. The last question, 30 for today.
What is the name of the figure with what is the 5 sides? Hey, which heptagon? I said heptagon, no pentagon. Yeah.
Can you imagine what you are arguing over? How many? What is the name of the shape that has how many sides?
5 sides. I was just reading the options. Wait, to say that I said heptagon has 5 sides. When did I say?
Okay. Now what is the answer? What is the answer, Favor?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. It's very easy. Please, you should not. In fact, you shouldn't fail it. If you remember, there's an office in the United States government that possibility. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me finish before you start correcting me. There's there's an office. I think it's the U.S. Department of Defense, a military office, where military leadership stay. The Pentagon. It's called the Pentagon. If you Google it, you will see the shape of the office. They made it to look like a pentagon. Okay, actually, it has five sides of offices. So, I mean, if there's anything, you can use that to remember it. Okay, Pentagon has 5 sides. Please don't forget that.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you in the United States? That's what going to be asking.
I am not, but is it not okay to know about other places? So isn't it okay to know about other places?
Before you went off, I wanted to even ask you that when you were asking us about supermarkets in where we were. So are you in Lagos? In another country?
Yes, presently.
Sir?
Yes.
You're
I
in Lagos.
am. Yes.
Lagos of Lekki. Lekki. Yes, now. Now you see where he's not in. Yeah, it's in Lekki. It's not in Lekki. It's in Lekki. It's not in Lekki. It's in Lekki. It's not in Lekki. It's in Lekki. It's in Lekki. It's in Lekki. Acting. Sir, is Lagos in Lekki? It's Lekki. You're saying no, it's not Lekki. Hey, now I'm not saying you've been living in Lekki. He said yes now. So it's supposed to be. What? No, understand. Yeah.
Are you happy now?
It's mommy that is not happy. It's Faith that is happy. Faith, your curiosity has driven me away. Hannah. Before you know, she'll be asking what is 2 plus 2 now. Oh, that's mommy. Yeah, something coming.
Okay. So let's see. I don't know if we can do 1 hour break before we do our coding class.
1 hour break. So 1 hour 30. I mean 1 hour 19 minutes.
1 hour 10 minutes.
19 minutes. 1 hour 19 minutes.
Okay, you want 1 hour 19 minutes. What will you use in 19 minutes?
11. So it's supposed to be 12:30.
What will you? I'm just interested. What will you use in 19 minutes and do? Sleep, Abby?
Sir?
I said, will you use the 19 minutes to sleep or what?
Yeah, the 19 minutes, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the 19 minutes to drink water. You are water. I'm going to use the 19 minutes.
Make sure that you will before you enter the class. So I'm not going to allow you to leave to go and wait.
The same one that is the one that wants to drink water. So I will use the remaining 19 minutes.
19 minutes.
I will use the remaining 19 minutes. I will use the remaining 90 minutes to play. Because I get to go
my class, so you can play. Okay. So make sure you can help me tell Mom to send the question to me on WhatsApp. So I'll have the question that you are trying to do for your second homework.
Sir, I and Favor were trying to enter it, but I entered the code Goopy. But when I was trying to, I've entered the code Goopy. When I was trying to it took me off again.
Oh, it went off when you were trying to save.
No, when I was trying to save.
What happened?
That time I told Mommy I did got it. Mommy said, I was trying to go. Yes, okay, that's when I was looking for my room.
Okay, so are you saying Faith? Are you saying you've done your own? It's remaining Favor.
I've done my own, but when I wanted to save, but it took me off, so I could not save anything.
Oh.
Because my battery was low, so it took me off.
Okay, I understand. Okay, so it's not like it's like you cannot do it, right? You can do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, no problem. Okay, no problem. Now, when we come back, when we're on break, we'll continue our own JavaScript class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See you at 12:30. Bye.
Bye.